Olunaku lwa leero Paalamenti eyogedde ku abadde omubaka wa Kempe North omugenzi Muhammad Ssegirinya era nga ekiteeso ekisimba emirimu gye kireeteddwa omubaka Abdul Katuntu oluvannyuma lw'okubulawo kwa minisita awamu n'omukulu yenna okuva mu gavumenti omuli Ssaabaminisita omumyuka w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga n'abukungu abalala.
Right Honourable Speaker, as you rightly put it, I am moving this motion by virtue of being currently in the chambers to be the most senior. And I take it as an honor and a privilege. Right Honourable Speaker, this is a motion for a resolution of Parliament to pay tribute to the late Honourable Mohammed Ssegirinya, Member of Parliament, Kawempe Division North Constituency, Kampala City, for his dedicated service to the Republic of Uganda. Whereas Parliament has with deep sorrow learnt the death of Honourable Mohammed Ssegirinya.
Mu kuggulawo olutula lwa leero omukulembeze w'ekikulu gongo olukulu Aneta Ntamu yasoose okulaga okwemulugunya olw'abakungu ba gavumenti obutalabikako awamu n'ababaka abalala.
Leaders, what lessons do we draw from Honourable Ssegirinya? Let us always put humanity first in whatever we do. Be friendly. Be there for everybody. Mr. Honourable Ssegirinya was that person down to earth. As Parliament of Uganda, we want to condone with the family.
Wanawagiddwa omubaka Asumani Basalirwa era nga ye ssentebe w'akabono k'ababaka abasiraamu mu Paalamenti ategeeza nti kano kandiba akabonero ak'obusosoze.
Speaker, procedurally, motions of this nature are either moved by the Prime Minister and usually seconded by the law or vice versa. I am now seeing the Prime Minister is not here and the leader of opposition is here. In fact, the entire front bench, Right Honourable Speaker. I want to understand, and I'm not so sure who to ask, but I'll ask you, the head of the institution. Is this a message by government being sent that they are disinterested in the death of the Honourable Ssegirinya?
Era n'abakulu abalala okuva ku ludda olw'obala gavumenti mu Paalamenti okuli abakulira Joel Ssenyonyi, nyampala wa gavumenti John Baptist Nambeshe nabo boogedde ku kino.
As we normally do, we have lost several MPs in this 11th Parliament. May God help us, by the way. May God help us. But we are normally united in these times. Majority of those who have died belong to the opposition, I mean the NRM, but we are always here, even as the opposition, in solidarity of colleagues. We quarrel and argue about so many things because we don't agree politically and so on. But then we are colleagues. And in death, that's why we normally are united. So, Madam,
It speaks volumes. It throws egg on the face of government, but also speaks volumes about this particular adage that I have just quoted. Honestly, death is non-partisan. It has no side. In death is when you would expect us to be united. We expect a concerted effort of the entire House to give a decent send-off of our colleague.
Sipiika naye ensonga entagiresettayo ategeeza nga bwawa ababaka b'ekitiibwa era nti yabaddewo mu budde kale nga kyamuwalirizza okuwa olukisa omubaka Abdul Katuntu oluvannyuma lw'akaseera nga olutula lugenda maaso abamu ku bakulu batandise okutuuka okubadde minisita omubeezi ow'abavubuka Dr. Balaam Balgahale, David Bahati n'omumyuka wa Ssaabaminisita Hajjati Rukiya Nakadama ng'ono yeetonze era n'ategeeza nti obuzibu bwavudde ku kumanyisibwa obudde obw'enjawulo Paalamenti wegenda okutandika.
To bring apologies on the behalf of government. I was called this morning at around 8 and I was told that we are supposed to move the motion at 10. So because I was sick, I decided to start preparing myself. When it was approaching 9, somebody called me from your office and told me it is 9. So that was miscommunication. on time. So I will apologize on behalf of government that it was not intentional.
Wabula okwewuza kwa gavumenti Speaker akuyemu amazzi.
And it was
I don't want to believe. I don't want to believe on miscommunication because I would take the responsibility. The order paper is very clear, and when I adjourned the house yesterday, I said we are adjourning to 9. Yes.
right.
Fight had Mr. Update inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. Yis Chigongo kulwa channel 44 Oliguro.